Let's check out new PicMonkey. We've kept our easy-to-use tools and added awesome new ones to help you make amazing photo projects. Editing photos has never been easier. You can bring them in straight from your hub or import them from your computer. You can crop your image down to any size you want. And fine-tuning your exposure settings is super easy. And there are all kinds of effects to choose from to make your image stand out. You can also erase any part of this effect on your image, and if you mess up, just paint it back on. And if you want to fine-tune your portraits, check out all of our touch-up tools. New PicMonkey offers thousands of templates for you to fully customize. And replace any template image with your own to make a custom creation. You can also add one of our hundreds of amazing textures to any element of your photo project, whether it be a picture, text, or a graphic. You can even bring in one of your own images as a graphic with the Add Your Own button. Try out the Erase tool or Drop Shadow to make your graphics pop. And there are thousands of original PicMonkey graphics for you to use. Use the Layers palette to select objects in your design. You can then move them up or down to choose which ones appear in front. And with a graphic selected, you can change its color, add a shadow, or just straight up erase it and paint it back on. Text is a huge part of design, and PicMonkey has hundreds of options for you to choose from, or you can upload your own. In new PicMonkey, you can do anything you want to your text. You can even add an awesome texture to it. New PicMonkey automatically saves your projects to your cloud-based hub for you to access at any time. And if you're all about organization, collections in Hub are your friend. You can reorganize projects however you want and make copies. This is new PicMonkey. We're here to help you make amazing visual projects, and we're only just getting started.